you go? Where you go?
Clear for takeoff, wind 220 at 19 or gust 24.
35 Shot Tango is advising as well. We're done with the run-up. Like to proceed to the active.
Cessna 35 Shot Tango, follow the Cherokee to runway 19, cross runway 14.
Runway 19, follow the Cherokee, cross runway 14 via Bravo.
10, skies clear. Temperature 182.13, altimeter 3007. Visual approaching use, landing and departing, runway 19er. IFR departures, advise ground control that your IFR, read back all runway, hold short instructions, runway assignments, altitude assignments. Advise public on initial contact, Evadus, Quebec.
Baby ground Cessna 820 Alpha, we are Echo 1 with Quebec, request.
That's 820 Alpha, public ground, runway 19, taxi Alpha, Alpha 2, cross runway 14, Charlie.
Runway 19 Alpha, Alpha 2, cross runway 14 at Charlie. Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
1800, Quebec.
723 Foster Tango Republic Tower, Belmont Link for the left down the runway 19er.
Foxtrot Tango.
Cessna 469er Southeast approved, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
Victor, Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, hold short on runway 19 southwest departure.
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, southwest is approved, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
Runway 19 clear for takeoff. 820 Juliet Alpha.
Comanche 78 Papa traffic 12 o'clock and a mile and a half inbound 1100 Cessna.
Searching for the traffic 78 Papa.
78 Papa, looks like you're just turning inside, should be fine. Line up and wait. Line up and wait for... This is 469, what's your direction of flight? Southeast departure, 469.
Roger that, 78 Papa.
Republic Tower, Cherokee 5.
Clear for takeoff, 469.
5689 Victor, holding short at Gulf 6. Clear for takeoff, Gulf 6, runway 1989 Victor.
Airpo Tower, 08910 Sierra Foxtrot, runway 19 Bravo, ready for departure.
08910 Foxtrot, Republic Tower, hold short runway 19er.
Hold short 19er, 8910 Sierra Foxtrot.
Here's 10 Foxtrot, left downwind approved, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
19er clear for takeoff, 8910 Sierra Foxtrot.
877, frequency change approved.
Roger, 877.
Comanche 78 Papa, frequency change approved.
Stop. I'm ready for takeoff, southeast on departure.
Frequency change approved for 78 Papa.
Thank you. And who's calling? Is that State 66? You said you want a southeast?
Yep, State 66 wants the southeast.
State 66 Republic Tower, your southeast is approved, runway 19er, clear for takeoff, wind 230 at 23, gust 30.
Depart Tower, Warrior 220 Quebec, over Northwest Stack, inbound, for landing with information, Quebec.
Cherokee 2280 Quebec Republic Tower, report them all for the straight in runway 19er, wind is 240 at 15, gust 30, altimeter 3007.
Report over the mall, Warrior 220 Quebec, clear for the winds, please.
Wind 220 at 19er, gust 30.
Thank you.
Republic Tower, Sirius 417 Foxtrot Tango's over Northport, 1500.
20 Juliet Alpha, frequency change approved.
2 Juliet Alpha, frequency change approved.
820 Juliet Alpha, frequency change approved. York approach. Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
20 Juliet Alpha, guys.
We southwest of Farmingdale 1000, requested the Hudson Skyline.
0 Juliet Alpha, squawk 0315. What was your type aircraft?
Cessna 172.
Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha's radar contact as reported. The Kennedy altimeter 300. Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1.
Kennedy Tower 19.1. Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha. Kennedy Tower, Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
Cessna 20 Juliet Alpha, Kennedy Tower.
We southwest of Farmingdale and requested the Skyline 1500.
Skyhawk 0 Juliet Alpha, proceed westbound along the shoreline at or below 500, Kennedy, altimeter 3006. I will have higher shortly.
006, out of below 500, and you have me higher shortly. Now 820 Juliet Alpha.
5 runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, JetBlue 135.
JetBlue 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, line up and wait, JetBlue 1835.
JetBlue 2709, contact New York departure, good day.
Going to departure, JetBlue 2709, good day.
1835, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 1835.
JetBlue 629, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 22 right, JetBlue 629.
JetBlue 135, contact New York departure, 135.9er.
35.9, good day, JetBlue 135.
JetBlue 403, runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, JetBlue 403.
Cathay 841 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 22 right, Cathay 841.
Heavy, runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 22 right, clear for takeoff, air transport 3430 Heavy.
JetBlue 9. Skyhawk 20 Juliet Alpha, cleared into the class Bravo airspace. VFR climb is approved, remain at or below 1,400.
Clear on the Bravo airspace, out of below 1,400. Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
Skyhawk 0 Juliet Alpha, contact 8.3.
10.3 Newark.
Okay.
Session departure,
Zurich 956, Kearney, looking for haul and handoff LaGuardia.
5630 Squad Street, cleared as requested, altimeter 3005, past the hack, maintain VFR 1,500.
Discreet haul and hack 1.5, 956.
New York Tower 820 Juliet Alpha. Over the VZ 1,300.
Marriage at 81 Heavy, contact departure.
For departure, 81 Heavy.
Number 20 Juliet Alpha, Newark Tower, altimeter 3005, radar contact 1,200, say request.
3005, I would just want to do like 180 over the statue and then proceed northbound.
0 Juliet Alpha, proceed as requested. 0 Juliet Alpha, maintain VFR 1,500.
Maintain VFR 1,500. Now 820 Juliet Alpha.
2073, wind 25013, gust 2022 right, full length, clear for takeoff, caution with turbulence.
All right, we're clear for takeoff, 22 right, full length, United 2073.
And New York Tower 952, currently Holland with a handoff to LaGuardia.
952 Newark Tower, Squad Street, follow company, cleared as requested, altimeter 3005, past the hack, maintain 1,500.
3005, past the hack, maintain 1.5952.
Contact departure, good day.
Over to departure, United 2073, good day.
United 282 and 25014, gust 2022 right at Whiskey, clear for takeoff.
22 right at Whiskey, clear for takeoff, 9282.
954, contact LaGuardia 187.
187.
Bridget Alpha, turn at your discretion. Traffic circle in the statue now appears 600 indicated.
Roger, we're looking for the traffic. Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha. Possible we do one more 180?
0 Juliet Alpha, traffic off your left side, mile northbound, helicopter 1,500. They have you in sight and approved as requested.
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
0 Juliet Alpha, continue southbound towards Arizona.
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha. Requested northbound over the Hudson.
0 Juliet Alpha, roger. You can start heading northbound on the Hudson now, maintain VFR.
VFR northbound is approved. Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
Metro 28, contact LaGuardia 187. And 0 Juliet Alpha, how far north on the Hudson you planning to go?
Go east over the Central Park and do a tower capitalization back to Farmingdale. Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
Roger, I have your request, number 0 Juliet Alpha. Currently 3005.
3005, and we have the traffic inside.
0 Juliet Alpha, maintain visual separation from that traffic. Contact LaGuardia Tower 118.7.
187 LaGuardia, and thank you so much. 820 Delta.
See ya.
LaGuardia Tower, Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
LaGuardia Tower, LaGuardia altimeter 3003, and you want to cross over the park and then overhead LaGuardia Tower for Farmingdale?
Fly east over Central Park and Roosevelt Island and just do, take a couple photos over the tower and back to Farmingdale.
November 20 Juliet Alpha, that's all approved. Maintain 1,500. Traffic over Central Park. The helicopter, he'll be staying at 2,000.
I have the traffic in the 0 Juliet Alpha.
I have the Cessna 97.
955, thank you.
Guardian 953 for the South Atlanta.
Guardian Metro 28 for descent, check out.
Metro 28, leaving class 5 airspace, service terminal, squawk V5, frequency improved. Talk to you later.
Oh, I'll talk to you in a bit. Thanks. What's this?
LaGuardia 952 requesting southbound handoff.
952, proceed as requested. Contact near tower 118.3. Good day.
118.3, good day.
Ion 55 looking for Freedom Tower.
955, proceed as requested. Contact near tower 118.3. Good day.
355, thank you.
Visual approaching you, landing departing runway 19er. IFR departures, advise ground control that your IFR. Read back all runway, hold short instructions. Read back all runway.
And Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, you going to be starting that turn eastbound towards Farmingdale, or are you just going to continue on that heading?
We just start the turn now to eastbound turn right now.
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, all right. Very good. You familiar with Glen Cove?
Negative.
Hi, 820 Juliet Alpha, you can start a left turn heading 070 for now.
Left turn 072. Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
Time is back
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, contact approach on 125.7.
125.7. Thank you so much. 820 Delta.
See ya.
York approach now 820 Juliet Alpha. 1,500 back to Farmingdale.
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, New York approach, Republic altimeter 3005, remain underneath the class Bravo airspace and advise rail at Republic.
We remain under the class Bravo airspace and we advise when we have Republic.
Romeo time 1353 Zulu. Weather, wind 22017, visibility 10, skies clear. Temperature 19.13,
maintain.
Visual approaching you, landing departing runway 19er. IFR departures, advise ground control that your IFR. Read back all advise public on initial contact, give it as Romeo.
Jet 137, proceed with your ship.
York approach now 820 Juliet Alpha. We have the port inside.
Juliet Alpha radar services terminated, squawk 1200, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, squad.
See ya.
Pacific Tower, Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, northwest with Romeo full stop.
Cessna 820 Alpha, Republic Tower, runway 19 clear to land with 22011 gust 28.
Runway 19 clear to land, Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
Machine 2, you're Yankee traffic in position for your arrival. Cessna 469, traffic forward right, 2 miles, 3 miles, 1,900 feet descending down 1,600 feet is a Gulfstream 4 westbound.
Traffic inside, 469.
5,000. And Cessna 199, wind 24020, gust 28.
6 inbound, full stop with Romeo.
Funnel state 66, Republic Tower, ident.
Ident, we're over capture.
Funnel state 66, left downwind for runway 19, traffic forward right, about northwest of your position, 2 miles, 2,500 feet southeast bend, I believe the Cherokee.
Alright, we're looking for them. We'll join left downwind, runway 19, funnel state 66.
And the Comanche. Alpha, turn right on Alpha, taxi echo with me, have a good day.
Now 820 Juliet Alpha. Right on Alpha, stay with you to the wind. Good day.
Sirius 3 Sierra Romeo, wind 240, 18 gust 24, running 1. Cherokee 42, make